mind that we are here together to launch a very important campaign. And we believe that this campaign would help not only the present government in its drive against corruption, but for future governments, and most especially the citizens of our republic. There is enough time. I was telling Senator TG that in the last Congress, when we passed the FOI in the House on May of 2008, it did not move in the Senate for almost 6 months, until there was a change of leadership in the Senate, and there was a subsequent change of leadership in the Senate Committee on Public Information. Then the FOI bill started to move in the Senate. Right now, we have the commitment of Senator Greg, Senator TG, to see the Freedom of Information bill through the Senate as soon as possible. On the part of the House, we expect to approve at committee level the Freedom of Information bill before the month of August is done, so that we can get it to plenary by the month of September. Now, the important thing here, whether the executive branch is ready or not. I think that should be already a message set, because time is of the essence. 5 years of an Aquino administration in order to introduce reforms in our country is not enough. That's why we have to put in as much as reform-oriented laws in order to prepare our country for the future administrations. And one important bill is the Freedom of Information. This is the reason why that it is important that before the second regular session is over, before the SONA of 2012, we have already enacted the FOI into law. It's important. So on the part of the advocates, especially our friends in the House, I believe that they would support us, but we should be also aware, kailangan bantayan rin, lalo na yung mga kasamahan po namin sa mababang kapulungan. Sa Senado, tingin ko walang problema. Sa House, doon maraming focus ang nangyayari dyan. There are attempts, of course, to mangle the bill in such a way that there are riders that are inserted in proposed versions of the Freedom of Information bill that we feel are unconstitutional. So it is important that we watch these personalities and what they intend to do, especially when we vote the bill at committee level this coming August. So again, kailangan po natin ang tulong at suporta po ninyo sa hanay po namin, sa mga sumusuporta ng mga congressman at congresswoman sa House. Asahan po ninyo, kami po ay handang makipaglaban para ito ay may sabastas po natin sa lalo madaling panahon. Maraming salamat.